I look for random products on social media so I can review, test, and show you guys. After traveling to Korea this year, everything changed about my skincare, health, and beauty. In this video, I involve hubby as well. I always wondered how Korean people always maintain their skin. Now I found their secret and I want to share it with you guys. How to transform your skin with the power of soy milk and niacinamide for a radiant and glass-like glow. I've been using a vegan milky serum with 68% soy milk, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid for a smooth, radiant skin. It has brightened my complex, reduced dark spots, control acne, and boost hydration. I love this product because it's packed with collagen boosting isoflavones. It keeps my skin firm, moisturized, and glowy. Perfect for a daily use on all skin types. Just look at my skin before and after. On a full glam makeup, this is the easiest way to do your lashes. This DIY lash kit comes with everything: a tweezer, bond, seal, lashes in different sizes. To make this last long, first you gotta have clean lashes, and then apply a thin coat of bond, and then apply the extension lashes underneath your lashes, one by one individually. I put 2 large in the outer, medium in the middle, and then the small in the inner corner. Now to remove the stickiness of the glue, you're gonna apply the seal so you can just seal it, and this will last you for a very long time. I'm talking about 2 weeks plus, and these are waterproof, so it's perfect for long vacations.
Booster mode, level 1. Microcurrent mode, level 1. Derma shot mode, level 1. Air shot mode, level 1. Booster mode, level 1. Level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 1.
Okay, I did something this Black Friday. I treated myself with a new facial device from ARUEN. I have the older version, so I passed that on to my mom. I wanted to get the pink one. It's limited edition and it's so pretty. It's called the Age Booster Pro. Since it was a bundle deal, so I got the serum, the collagen toner. This serum just looks so cool. It's like I'm putting a shot on my face, but it's actually serum and it's so healthy. It feels so good on my skin. This device is like experience spa, like beauty treatments at home with Medicue's HR Booster Pro. This pink version you can't find anywhere else unless you buy from their website directly or this website called Yes Style. That's where I got mine. I'll put the link below. So basically it has a 4 mode. One is a booster mode, the second one is microcurrent mode, the third one is derma shot mode, and then the last one is air shot mode. I'm going to make you guys an in-depth video about this device, how to use it, what skin should use it and what skin should not use it, how many times of the day use it, and how many times of the week to use it. Make sure to click the bell icon so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Tell me that's not a plump, beautiful, glass-like skin. Seriously, this is how it looks like the next morning when I woke up. I'm always on Amazon looking for random stuff so I can test out. This is a face roller. It helps to achieve a tighter skin with a ice roller. That little part is so cold. I didn't even have to put it in a freezer, but it was super cold. It helps to depuff the skin and it gives a muscle relaxation. So basically relieves muscle tension, reduces inflammation, and promotes radiant skin through soothing massage and gua sha therapy. The reason I love this massager because it's pure stone, it rejuvenates the skin, plus stone gives positive vibes, and that's what I love about that. I only test this on the right side of my face so you guys can compare the left and the right, see if this works. Look at my right side eyebrow and then left side eyebrow, compare that, and look at my right side jaw and my left side jaw. Do you see that snatched, lifted contour looking on the right side? Brows is lifted too. Definitely this device works. It's worth it. Sometimes I'm so embarrassed to talk about my hair thinning at this age. I used to have such a thick hair and I don't know what happened. Suddenly I started shedding a lot of hair. And it's not genetic because all my sisters and my mom, they have the thickest hair still. I had the biggest question, why was this happening to me? Why I was getting hair thinning and dryness? That's when I learned that heavy metals and chlorine shower water can strip natural oils, clog follicles, and even cause hormonal imbalance. That's why I switched to Jolie, the world's best filter shower head with over 150,000 happy customers. Clinically proven to reduce hair shedding by 81%. It helps to treated hair look better, keeps moisture locked in, and even makes hair products work more effectively. I basically went bald in the past. I'm not going to share photos of that. It's very embarrassing. But thankfully, my hair is now stronger, healthier, and thicker. Not only that, but my skin also felt the same way, causing breakouts, dryness, and even redness. It felt like no matter how much I invested in skincare, nothing was truly effective. Jolie shower head filters definitely reduced my breakout, kept my skin hydrated and plump, and made my skin products actually work. Considering women spend an average of $3,800 a year on their appearance, it only made sense to me with the water I use daily. Plus, with free returns within 60 days, trying Jolie was totally risk-free, and I'm so glad I did it. Just look at my before and after and judge for yourself. People don't know how to use an applicator. First, we're gonna use this shaver that comes with the package. We're gonna shave first. In order to not feel the pain, you have to shave underarms before using the applicator. If you have hair sticking out, it's going to be painful and you're not supposed to do that. So basically, this just pulls the hair from the follicles. So if you have longer hair, it's going to be very painful. But if you shave it, there's going to be no pain. So this is what it does. So in the long run, you're going to have a smooth and you're going to have hairless underarm without going through so much pain with waxing or shaving. Like makes your underarm look dark. Look at my underarm. I used to shave, I stopped shaving, and I started using this. It's not painful at all. It just feels a little bit perkly, like something is perking on my skin. And look at this, how smooth and nice it looks. Like I don't need to do waxing anymore. Here's the best part. You can remove dead skin from your heels. This is why this is a 3-in-1. It's a shaver, applicator, and a dead skin remover. Do you guys see how my heels transformed? I feel like the serum was a magic. After using this, I noticed a big difference in my skin. Pimples calmed down, pores looked smaller, and my skin texture felt much smoother. The formula includes TECA, a soothing ingredient from centella and zinc, which absorbs oil and keeps pores clear. I have definitely noticed my pores improved in width, depth, and volume, and oil control increased by 39%, keeping my skin balanced and breakout free. Plus, it's gentle and tested for sensitive skin, making it perfect for achieving a clear, healthy skin. That's why I'm telling you guys, this is a magic serum. Look at my skin now. Whether I'm going for a full glam look or a natural, everyday no makeup vibe, these facial radiance pads are my to go. These are so handy, convenient, eco-friendly pads, make my skin prepping so easy on daily basis. Sometimes when I'm lazy and I don't wash my face, so I use these pads, especially perfect for my long flight trips. I can just prep my skin in the plane. I love the fact that they're safe for sensitive skin, instantly exfoliate for smoother, brighter skin, and even help to refine the look of my pores. They're my favorite. It's an absolute must-have in my beauty routine. These are like my ride or die, and I always use this before putting a full glam on. A brand recently reached out to me. They wanted to send me some products, and I was like, okay, sure, thank you so much. I thought it was gonna be another gift, another PR package. I don't just put random stuff on my brows unless I do my research and I know it's good for my brows. I would use it. This powder has an ingredient called osma grass. It's a plant that's found in China region. For centuries, people use this for hair growth, health, and so much more things. It's also very popular in Central Asia, such as Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan. So many of these countries, I guess they use this. I mean, it's my first time using this. I have never heard of this before, but apparently it's such a good plant for your brows. If you want like a healthy, natural brows, this is what you need to use. It eventually also thickens your brows and also colors your brows. They also sent me the shampoo bars for deep cleaning and hydration. Lately, I've been doing this hair hack that I wanted to share with you guys. It's the baby powder. I use this as a dry shampoo on my hair. As you guys know that I can wash my hair every single day and my hair gets really oily every single day. So I wash my hair every 3 days, but in between my hair gets oily, so that's when I use the dry shampoo. And dry shampoos can have chemicals and things that we don't want on our hair. But baby powder is chemical free and all kind of things free, fragrance free, and this is what I like. I use the baby powder as my dry shampoo, and I use like a big brush and I just apply this on my hair and I massage it so the white part can go away, and then I brush through my hair so you don't see the baby powder. Look, can you tell I use baby powder? My hair looks amazing. You can't tell. Okay, try this hack and let me know how it goes. I've been trying these lip stain in 4 different shades. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. The packaging is so cute. It comes in different colors and shades. As soon as you put it on your lips, it stains the lips within 30 seconds, giving a long-lasting color that doesn't budge. The non-sticky gloss finish adds a beautiful shine thanks to its special oil blend while keeping my lips moisturized and comfortable. They have so many shades available, but I only tried 4 shades. These are so bright and vibrant. I love the slight plumping effect. It gives my lips look fuller and more defined. These are perfect combo of color, shine, and hydration. Look at these 4 colors I put on the back of my hand and I removed it. Look at the stain right away. I wanted to give my husband a makeover, so I brought him to my beauty room. This product is faster and effective than water at fixing bedhead and morning cowlicks. His beards are so stubborn, frizzy, dry, and it literally pokes on the face. He was not doing anything about it, so I had to give him a makeover myself. It softens the beards without greasiness or breaks out and acts as a natural detangler for both hair and the beard. It also protects from the heat when blow drying, tames frizz, fights split ends by naturally locking in moisture, also makes hair and beard smell so good. He is obsessed with this product. No pain, no needles, no surgery. I found a new beauty tool that smooths wrinkles and lines around the mouth without needing needles, pain, or surgery. This is the award-winning Shark Tank approved device. Basically, this little tool, it lifts lower face muscles to reduce visible sign of aging, giving a firmer and professional level results. Basically, this is how I look like for 30 minutes a day. No talking, no eating, just relaxing. It is super quick, easy, and mess-free. Just slip it under your lip for daily session. No cream, injection, or downtime needed. I recently noticed that the back of my arms have these bumpy skin and it looks really bad when I was putting dress on. I recently came across with this body scrub from Sanity. Oh my god, let me tell you about it. It smells so good. It removed all the dead skin off of my skin. This is a perfect exfoliator that keeps your skin hydrated for up to 48 hours. You can use it all over your body depending where you have the bumpy skin. I warm up my shower with the steam and I go there, sit there for 5 minutes. I apply this all over my skin. Oh my god, let me tell you. The silky, smooth, radiant, younger looking skin that feels so soft and feels like I fed it. I'm so excited to share Brows by Cara Factor. It's a peptide powder serum that's designed to enhance the natural thickness and fullness of your brows. It is dermatologist developed, so it's safe for daily use and free from harsh chemicals. You'll definitely get the fuller, bolder brows with just few easy steps. Just make sure to be consistent with this. You'll see results very, very soon.